Welcome back from Day 3, Knowledge 2025. I'm Lydia at the Royal Cyber booth, and this morning I'm joined by Jonathan. Jonathan, thanks for swinging by.
Howdy, thank you.
So tell me what made you decide to attend this year's conference.
So we just got signed up with ServiceNow, and we're coming here to learn about everything and see what it can do.
This is the place to learn.
Definitely.
Lots to learn. It can be a little overwhelming.
Yeah.
So tell me what your company is and what role you play within that company.
So I work for Daikin Comfort North America. We're a manufacturing company for HVAC, and I'm desktop support. I directly work with the users, fixing IT issues.
Here in Vegas, I know everybody is concerned with HVAC support.
Yeah, definitely.
So tell me what's the most impressive use of AI that you've seen recently?
I thought it was pretty impressive to see here how it can actually troubleshoot the basic issues and then even pull up past history to basically help those level 1 agents basically get past all the remedial work to get to the actual meat of the problem and get it fixed, or even find solutions ahead of time and just make that turnaround that much faster.
So it makes them look so much smarter.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. So how prepared do you think your company is for AI adoption moving forward?
I think we're pretty prepared. We already have some AI tools implemented, so hopefully we can just migrate that into the new ServiceNow platform and keep going.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you for joining me here at the Royal Cyber booth, and I hope that you have a very productive rest of your conference.
Appreciate it, thank you.